stage is set and Delhi is voting today. 7 a.m. onwards, the voting has kicked off. 70 assembly seats are in fray and the stakes are high for the incumbent Aam Aadmi Party. BJP and the Congress are also putting their efforts to win this election. They're fighting. Remember that the Aam Aadmi Party is fighting to retain power. The Congress is looking for a comeback and the BJP wants to once again regain power after 27 years. The Aam Aadmi Party faces the task of retaining power and repeating a historic brute majority after 10 years. The voting will take place in a single phase. The results are going to be announced on February 8th, viewers. So we will be connecting to a reporter soon, but take a look at this report first before we go ahead and talk to all our ground reporters to understand what is happening as Delhi votes.
The Delhi Legislative Assembly has a total of 70 seats up for a high-stakes battle. Of these, 12 constituencies are reserved for the candidates belonging to the scheduled castes. Meanwhile, all the constituencies are up for polling in a single phase today, which is on the 5th of February. It is interesting to note that over 7,000 voters have chosen the home voting facility in the ongoing Delhi Assembly elections. This move by the Election Commission aims to ensure that senior citizens above 85 years of age and persons with disabilities can exercise their right hassle-free. The Delhi Assembly elections are witnessing a triangular contest between the Aam Aadmi Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress. The AAP is aiming for its third consecutive term, riding on its previous electoral successes. Meanwhile, the main rival, the BJP, is going all out to turn the tables. The Congress too is hoping to gain dominance in the capital. The national capital also witnessed an intense campaign battle, which officially concluded on the 3rd of February at 6 p.m. The three parties have outlined their poll strategies on welfare schemes, economic growth and infrastructural development in the capital. Meanwhile, the Delhi police is on alert and placed barricades on borders across Delhi a day in advance to make sure that polling takes place smoothly.
हम लोगों ने अपने डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ पर पेट्रोलिंग इंटेंसिफाई कर दी है. फ्लैग मार्चेस निकाल रहे हैं इन ह्यूज नंबर टू सेंड अ मैसेज अक्रॉस कि फ्री एंड फेयर वोटिंग होगी और किसी नेफेरियस एलिमेंट को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे हम कि वोटिंग डिस्टर्ब करे या कोई उल्टा सीधा काम करे. साथ ही साथ हम अपने जो बैड कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनकी चेकिंग इंटेंसिफाई कर रहे हैं, उनको थाने ला के वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि कहीं किसी पे प्रेशर ग्रुप की तरह एक्ट करके किसी वोटिंग डिस्टर्ब ना करें. इसके अलावा हमने अपनी बॉर्डर चेकिंग पे इंटेंसिफाई कर दिया गया है. जो नेबरिंग स्टेट से है बॉर्डर की कोई वहाँ से इलीगल स्मगलिंग ना हो, इलिसिट लिकर ना आए या कोई मसल पावर वहाँ से अपने दिल्ली के अंदर एंटर ना करे.
It remains to be seen who will seal the battle for Delhi.